Hi grade 2s! In this video we're going to work on some number strings together. So you could get a piece of paper and a writing tool, and I'll give you an equation to solve, and you can pause the video and solve it, and then follow along after to see what strategy I used. Alright, let's start with our first number problem. Our first number problem is 90 minus 40. So as usual, you can pause the video, solve that problem, and then press play to see how I solved it and see if we got the same answer. So this is subtraction. So I know the greater number is 90. I'm starting with 90, and I'm going to take away 40. I could do this a couple of different ways. I could go take away 10 4 times. That's the same as taking away 40. So then I'd have 80, 70, 60, 50. Another way to do this is to find the difference between 40 and 90 on a number between those. So I know if I add 10, I'll get to 50. If I add another 10, I'll get to 60. If I add another 10, I'll get to 70. If I add another 10, I'll get to 80. And if I add another 10, I'll get to 90. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. That was 50 skips to get to 90. So either way, it equals 50. Let's look at our next problem. So our next one is 91 minus 39. So you figure it out and then press play once you're done to see how I solved it. So for this equation, I'm going to start with 91, and I'll start by taking away tens. And I'm going to take away 4 tens because 39 is so close to 40. So minus 10, minus 10, minus 10, minus 10. So that's 81, 71, 61, 51. But I'm not taking away 40 altogether. I'm just taking away 39. So I need to add one more. And I get 52. 91 minus 39 equals 52. For our next equation, it's going to be 91 minus 41. So what I would do is start with 91, and I'm going to take away 40. So if I have 9 tens in this number and I take away 4 tens, now I'll have 5 tens and still the 1 1, but I have to take away 41. So I need to take away another 1 so that I'm taking away all of this 41. 51 minus 1 equals 50. This time I'd like you to solve the problem 52 minus 38. So again, there are different strategies to solve that. You find one that works for you, and then we'll talk about it after. So for this equation, let's say I'll start at 52, and I'm going to have 38 here, and I'm going to find the difference, find how many jumps are between these. So I'm going to start by adding 2 to get to a nice benchmark number of 40, and then I'll add 10 to get to the benchmark number of 50, and to get from 50 to 52, that's easy. I just need to add 2. So here, 2 plus 10 plus 2, that's 1 10 and 4 ones, that is 14. The next problem is 54 minus 40. So I'll put 54 in my number line, and I'm just going to take away the 4 tens all at once. I can do that in my head. So 54 minus 4 tens, that means the tens will go down by 4. So instead of 5 tens, there will be 1 10, and I still have those 4 ones, so that equals 14. And our last equation today is 63 minus 38. So I'll start with 63, and I'm going to take away 40 because 38 is really close to 40. So if I have 6 tens in 63, now if I take away 4 tens, I'll just have 2 tens, and I'll still have those 3 ones. But I'm not taking away 40 in this problem. I'm just supposed to take away 38. So then I'll add 2. So 23 plus 2 is 25. Thanks for doing those number strings with me, grade 2s. Bye!